Morning. So this morning, just hanging around the house, day off. I say day off, but there are a few things I want to do. But a day off for me is a day that nothing needs to happen. So I don't need to do a shift. I don't need to be at work. I can just really do whatever I sort of want, which is so nice. So a few things on my list today. We are marking out the holes for the veranda stumps. So slow steps forward with building this veranda. Our house is a big ugly box that just sits on these weird little poles really high up, and it's strange and it's like not nice, but we're just slowly renovating the house, saving little bits of money, and we've saved enough to do the veranda, we think. So we're just slowly starting the veranda. It's really exciting and it's a huge accomplishment for us. So moving that needle forward today, seeing if we can mark the holes. But marking the holes we've spent 3 weeks on it already, because we have no idea. Because the roof is out, the house is out, like everything's so out and whoopee, and old houses are just really difficult. So if we dig a hole and build a veranda, we don't want the whole thing to be out, and then we don't want to be building it like, because after the veranda, the next thing that we need to do is the roof and the deck and all of that sort of stuff. However, we don't want to have to build a whoopee roof because we built a whoopee veranda. You know what I mean? Like, we need to really think about this, make sure everything adds up. But Devon's dad's helping us, which is so nice, and he's really intelligent. He can work these things out, because we're like, it's like, well, if the length of this, and then you divide this by this, and then you work this out, and we're like, oh, it's really, really challenging, so we need someone that's pretty smart. Anyway, so we're marking the holes today, and I want to do a bit of product photography. I've got these things that have been sitting there for a week. I really want to get some nice photos of them. So we might need to go to the farm, pick some herbs, because they're herb salts, and I really want to get some nice fresh herbs in the product photography. So that's my plan with those today. And then I just want to relax and enjoy myself in the kitchen. I don't know. I like just like faffing around in my kitchen, like going through the fridge and like cutting up veggies. Like, not necessarily that's enjoyable. That is enjoyable. Sometimes I put a YouTube on and like I really enjoy it. But I really love, like, when I need to cook a meal, just having all the veggies prepped and I can just like throw them in. And I just prep just random veggies, random fruit, and I just throw it all together or whatever. You know, pretty, I don't know. Having it prepped is so nice. So I want to do that and just like take it easy today a little bit and just do things I want. Not take it easy as in slump around on the couch, but take it easy as in doing things that sort of are slightly productive but enjoyable. That's my aim for today. Because sometimes I think when you lump on the couch all day, you don't feel good. I don't know, is it anyone else? But like, if I'm like, okay, time to rest and restore, and I sit down there, and then by the time I get up, I'm like, I just feel like trash. I feel terrible. I just want to just like crawl in a hole and stay there. But then when I do things like I kind of enjoy, you know, like cooking or like, you know, just doing things around the house, I finish the day, I feel like relatively restored, and then I don't know, I feel like I've done something. Anyway, that's the plan for today, and enjoying plenty of time with baby. Baby Snuggles, baby play. He's starting to sit up now and like talk and communicate with us, and I really want to, I don't know, spend a lot of time with him now because he's just getting really special. He's just getting real sweet. Just don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss it, you know. Has any new parent got this fear that they're just going to like blink and just miss their children growing up? So I'm just like, I've got to spend time with him. I'm going to miss it. I'm going to miss it. But I think I'm enjoying him. I think I'm soaking it all in. But I don't want to miss it because he's just adorable. He's so beautiful. Anyway, let's do something fun. Oh, starts with coffee. Devon's got me a coffee here, half made. Devon is picking up a new fridge. He found a new fridge on Marketplace. He's so funny. Like, I always make fun of him in his Marketplace purchases. And you know how it makes that noise? And he goes, woo, woo, when you send a message. And I'm always like, Devon! He's trying to like secretly message these people and buy these things. But he's always given away by that woo when he sends a message. And then he's like, oh. Like, looks really suspicious. But I think it'll be, I don't know, I think it'll be really good for him. He's doing so much more in the kitchen, and he needs more equipment, and like he's got so many really awesome ideas. So I definitely support him in that. But it is definitely funny when I hear him messaging all these people. I'm like, Dev, what are you buying? Woo, ooh, was me. And he sometimes talks really loud, and he's like, ah, and then you hear him send the message, try to drown it out. It's a joke we've got going. It's very funny. But he's not gone all day. He'll be back by 10, so that's so nice. Or 10, 11, something like that. So it's the fridge is nice and close, which is awesome. Oh, day off. My goodness. So good. So I've got a heap of fruit. So I'm going to try to make a fruit salad. Little boy's just happy, just rolling around. He loves being in the kitchen. If he's ever grizzly, we get up and we do something in the kitchen. He just loves it. Just happy. Roly-poly. So sweet. Make sure I don't step on you. Yep, so I just have a heap of fruit. So I'm going to make a big fruit salad. I know it's going to be delicious. It's going to be so delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Hey. I soak my fruit in water and a little bit of vinegar. I think it makes it last longer.
socks aren't really quite slippery enough.
Funny, is it?
Yeah. Oh, it's
Sweet little boy, sweet little boy.
Oh, I'm dizzy now. Yeah, we did take that one.
Ooh. Got it. Got it.
Fruit blend job, that's right.
So next I'm making my orange cake. I normally make this for people, like if it's their birthday, I make them a cake. But I'm gonna make two today because I want to give one away, but I'm gonna make another one for us just to make sure it's good. I worry that it's not good. So I thought I'm gonna have to make one for us just to double check it's still delicious. I made it a while ago and it was really delicious, but the last one I made, I'm like, have I missed a step? Have I forgotten something in the recipe? So I'm just going to make two, just to make sure it's good. And so we have cake as well. We deserve it.
Oh,